Our team studies a virus called cytomegalovirus, or CMV. This is a virus that most of us have by the time we're age 40. A lot of us catch it when we're toddlers. It's a very stealthy virus. People who are infected, almost if they're healthy and they have a good immune system, there's no real symptom.
This is a virus that's a leading infectious cause of birth defects in the United States and other Western countries. It's a leading infectious complication in solid organ and allogeneic bone marrow transplant patients. It's also a risk factor in the development of a number of different vascular diseases.
The NIH recently awarded grants to 2 LSU Health Shreveport labs studying CMV. Dr. Jeremy Camille received $1.8 million over 5 years to study how CMV navigates through the body.
As the virus is moving through the body, it's changing its surface glycoproteins, and how that happens is not understood. We found a protein that may possibly give us new ideas and new information about how this is working. This protein appears to be the first example in any of the herpes viruses of a virally encoded steering wheel, if you will, that it helps the virus control which of these 2 alternative forms of these proteins that help regulate entry into cells show up on the virus's surface.
The $1.8 million over 5 years that Dr. Andrew Urachko received makes him the holder of one of the longest-running individual NIH R01 grants on campus.
So the grant I received is for the 3rd funding cycle, and it's dealing with cytomegalovirus infection of monocytes, specifically understanding the host cell interactions of how the virus, in this case the pathogen, infects monocytes, and how that virus then usurps, takes control, or alters these cells to promote the viral life cycle. So by understanding the root cause of the viral disease, understanding what the virus targets in the host cell and what the virus actually needs for its own life cycle, gives us clues to its weaknesses. And so by understanding these root causes, we then get new therapeutic targets. And this is where drug companies and a number of other aspects for mitigation disease is going. The idea that if you know a targeted weakness of a pathogen, you can therefore develop a specific or small molecule inhibitor to target those pathways.